safely delivers high power to distant devices, supporting heavy loads without overheating or damage. My today's video is about top 5 best heavy-duty extension cords that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Iron Forge Cable Heavy-Duty Extension Cords. This 25 feet heavy-duty extension cord is a reliable choice for both indoor and outdoor power needs. It works well for landscaping, lawn care, garden tools, power equipment, and everyday household appliances, making it highly versatile for home and light industrial use. Built with a bright yellow SJTW jacket, the cord improves visibility and helps reduce tripping hazards in busy work areas. The lighted end is a helpful feature, clearly indicating when power is active for added safety. Reinforced prongs prevent bending or cracking, ensuring long-term durability even with frequent use. Made with 12-gauge wiring, it supports 15 amps, 125 volts, and up to 1875 watts, and is UL certified for safety. Its weatherproof design allows it to perform reliably in extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, staying flexible even in cold conditions. Backed by a veteran-owned U.S. company, this extension cord offers dependable performance and strong customer support. Now our second product is OneChain Heavy-Duty Extension Cords. This 25 feet heavy-duty extension cord is built with safety, durability, and versatility in mind. The lighted end clearly indicates when power is active, while the oversized NEMA 5-15P plug-in socket enhance electrical safety and insulation, helping reduce the risk of shock. ETL/CETL listing adds further confidence in its certified protection. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, the 12AWG cord features a flame-resistant, waterproof, weather-resistant, and cold-resistant jacket, down to -50 degrees Celsius. Its bright yellow color improves visibility, reducing tripping hazards in busy work environments such as home projects, offices, or industrial settings. Flexibility is another strong point. The soft vinyl construction resists bending, pulling, and long-term wear while remaining easy to uncoil and store using the included straps. The strain relief design at both ends improves durability, and the hook feature allows convenient hanging in damp or outdoor areas. Rated at 15A, 125V, 1875W, it delivers safe and reliable performance when fully extended. Our third product is Nshayat Heavy-Duty Extension Cords. This heavy-duty extension cord is a reliable and versatile solution for both indoor and outdoor power needs. Made from SJTW thermoplastic, it performs well in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring dependable use in harsh weather conditions. The double-jacketed design adds durability while protecting walls, floors, and surfaces from damage. With 3 strategically placed outlets, it allows multiple devices to be powered at once, perfect for holiday lights, outdoor decorations, landscaping tools, and home improvement projects. Its sturdy vinyl insulation resists moisture, abrasion, sunlight, and cracking, making it highly durable for long-term use in demanding environments. Safety is a key feature, with UL certification and a grounded plug ensuring secure operation. The stranded copper wiring efficiently conducts power while reducing overheating risks. Molded plug ends with strain relief further enhance durability and safety. Overall, this extension cord combines strength, flexibility, and safety, making it an excellent choice for everyday and seasonal outdoor applications. Now number 4, Voxture Heavy-Duty Extension Cords. This 10 feet heavy-duty extension cord is a compact yet highly reliable power solution for both indoor and outdoor use. ETL/CETL listed and rated at 16 AWG, 125 volts, 13 amps, and 1625 watts, it delivers safe and stable performance for everyday electrical needs. It built with durable polyethylene sheathing. The cord is weatherproof, flame retardant, and resistant to cold, heat, frost, and abrasion. With a wide temperature range from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to +158 degrees Fahrenheit and IP65 waterproof protection, it performs well even in harsh outdoor conditions. Its versatility makes it suitable for small appliances, office equipment, DIY tools, TVs, lamps, and outdoor activities like camping or picnics. The rugged strain relief design withstands over 20,000 bends, ensuring long-lasting durability. Additional hooks make hanging easy, while the non-slip plug design improves convenience during use. Made with a pure copper core and thick insulation, it ensures safe power transmission and reliable operation, making it a practical choice for everyday and outdoor power needs. And our last choice is Powergreen Heavy Duty Extension Cords. This 50 feet heavy duty outdoor extension cord is a powerful and reliable solution for demanding electrical needs. Rated at 12 gauge, 15 amps, 125 volts, and up to 1875 watts, it is ideal for powering major appliances and heavy duty tools. ETL/CTL listing adds an extra layer of safety and assurance for long-term use. The built-in LED lighted and clearly shows when power is active, improving safety during operation. Its bright PVC jacket enhances visibility outdoors, helping reduce tripping hazards. The cord has also passed high-voltage testing for added confidence and performance. Designed for all-weather use, it is IP65 waterproof, weather-resistant, heat-resistant up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, and remains flexible even in extreme cold down to -58 degrees Fahrenheit. The durable construction ensures long-lasting use in harsh environments. Additional features like strain relief design and a convenient hook system make it easier to plug, unplug, and hang safely. Overall, it delivers strength, safety, and convenience for both home and outdoor applications. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.